When you are choosing a business email provider, security is usually one of the first concerns. Email is where contracts, internal conversations, client records, and sensitive planning all live. So today we are looking at two well-known options that approach security in very different ways. ProtonMail and Zoho Mail. Both are respected, both are used by businesses, but they are built with different priorities in mind. Let's start with ProtonMail. ProtonMail is a privacy-first email service created by security experts and researchers who wanted to build communication tools that are protected from surveillance. The core idea behind ProtonMail is that your email content should be encrypted in a way that even ProtonMail itself cannot read. This type of end-to-end encryption means that only you and the intended recipient have access to the message content. ProtonMail is also based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws that protect user data from outside access. That matters for businesses working in fields like legal services, research, healthcare, or journalism. Overall, ProtonMail is designed around the idea that privacy is not negotiable. The interface is simple and professional. Custom domain support is available for teams, and there are tools for managing accounts. But the main purpose remains security above all else. Now let's look at Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is part of the Zoho suite, which is a large ecosystem of business software for teams, sales, collaboration, and workflow management. Zoho Mail also places value on security. It offers encryption at rest, encryption during transmission, two-factor authentication, spam filtering, malware protection, and administrative controls for large teams. Zoho also supports custom domains and multiple inboxes with strong organization and scheduling tools. However, Zoho focuses more on business productivity and integration rather than privacy as a core identity. It protects your data and gives you enterprise security features, but the mail content itself is not always end-to-end encrypted by default. That is the main difference in philosophy. Zoho Mail gives you a complete business toolkit, while ProtonMail gives you privacy as the deepest priority. In simple terms, ProtonMail is the right choice when privacy is non-negotiable. Zoho Mail is the right choice when you want a full business suite with strong, but not absolute privacy controls. Both are good. They just serve slightly different needs. Consider how your team works, how sensitive your communication is, and what matters most to your business structure. Once you know that, the right choice becomes clear.